Today, I share some of the highs and lows of my 2024 season. Here are just a few of the places I was able to visit across northeastern Ontario. I saw some really nice waterfalls and rapids this year, most of which were less than a 2-hour drive from my hometown of Sudbury, Ontario. And perhaps none nicer than Paradiselagoon. And I did some paddling too, in some pretty interesting places. Through a forest, down a chute, under a highway, on some small lakes, some bigger ones, and a really big one. And I did some camping too, both solo and with friends. I also saw some interesting landmarks and landscapes, like the Killarney East Lighthouse, the tallest tree in Ontario, a frozen waterfall, a grumpy duck, and some potholes that even Sudbury streets can't compete with. And I was lucky enough to share some of these experiences with friends and family. I also hiked a bit and found some great lookouts with panoramic views. And of course, Mickey was with me for a lot of them. It was a great year, but there's still more to see of 2024 in the coming weeks, including some backcountry camping with Mrs. Fly North and another trip to Georgian Bay with a friend. As well as a few more adventures. But I know you really came here to see the fails, so here they are. My camera skills are at the standard you have come to expect. Same with my drone piloting. A few close calls, and the athleticism of an Olympian. Whoa. Thanks as always.